If your audience doesn't trust you, then they will never buy from you. So in this video, I'm going to show you 4 reasons your audience doesn't trust you yet. So when it comes to social media, the number 1 currency is trust. So if you can earn the trust of your audience, then it's going to be effortless for you to make transaction, because trust is the highest currency when it comes to social media. So the number 1 reason they don't trust you yet is because you're not sharing your story. So when you're not sharing your story, then it feels as if you're not a real person. And this is worse if you're doing a business brand and you don't show your face. It's going to take a lot of time and effort for them to trust you enough and for them to hand you over their money. Because if they don't trust you, then they're not going to buy from you. So when you tell them, this is why I get into the business, this is what I'm trying to achieve, so all those stories are going to help build the relationship between you and your audience. When you tell them what you believe in, your takes on some certain things and what you think differently from other people, then you're going to stand out from the noise. You're not going to be another guru. So the second reason they don't trust you is because you're not showing proof. So can you just go and tell people, oh, I have the solution to your problem? Meanwhile, you may have the solution to the problem, but you're not showing proof that this is their solution or this is what they have done for other people. Then I can actually do the same thing for you. So showing proof is very, very important, because when they are seeing you at first, they are going to be skeptical. Will this guy deliver on this thing? So what you should do is to decrease their skepticism. So you are going to try to disarm them, and how you are going to disarm them is by showing proof of what other people are saying, other people's results, their social proof, testimonial, feedback, and they'll see, oh, this guy, he seems genuine, because if other people are saying this about him, or if I can see this kind of result, other people getting this kind of results, then I'm also interested to get the same results. So that is going to boost the trust that they have in you, and they are most likely going to do business with you. So the third reason they don't trust you is because you're being too salesy. So lots of people, when it comes to selling, they think selling is convincing people to buy what they don't want and to buy what they can't afford. But selling is actually the opposite. Selling has to do with persuasion, and persuasion is when you try to tell people to do what they should do for their own reason. So one thing that is going to help you sell effectively and you're not going to sound salesy is when you frame selling as helping people. So instead of saying, let me sell to this guy, you can say, let me help him. The way you're going to communicate your message is going to show that you genuinely want to help the person. So the fourth reason they don't trust you is because you're not showing your face. Lots of people just want to go abstract or want to be behind the scenes without showing who they are. People buy from people. That's one thing you should know. So when they don't know who's behind the business, it's going to be very hard for them to trust that business and for them to do business with you, because they don't know you. You might scam them of their money. So in order for them to buy from you, they need to trust you. So what is going to help them trust you is when they know who is behind the business. So think of Microsoft, for example. If someone should say Microsoft, who comes to your mind? Bill Gates. Despite the fact that he's the owner of Microsoft, he has become the key person of influence to Microsoft, because he has been sharing his story, how he started, and people feel they know him and they can trust him because he is always out there. So if you can do these 4 things, then your audience will trust you and you become unstoppable.